Spokanes Skies, Sunday, September 16th, 2018, 1:53 p.m. Still out in Mead. Pretty cloudy over there. There's a little bit of open blueness there. A couple of big drops are starting to come down. A couple of little openings there. But yonder, pretty filled up. Not too much of blue of any kind. Then in this direction, got all cloudy and filled up. It was a lot more open earlier, like 3 hours ago. Now we're filled up where you can barely see any blue sky. So that's what we got going on. So make sure to keep looking up. Don't know what you're gonna see unless you are.